Hi, I'm Nana Meyer. I'm a faculty here at UCCS in Health Sciences, and we're in the farmhouse cooking today. It's all about plants. We need to eat more vegetables, and today we're creating recipes from almost all around the world. We are focusing on two different protein options: GMO-free tofu and lentils from India. So I'm really curious to see what's happening today.
Hi, my name is Sean Savet, and I'm here at the UCCS Farmhouse with the students of the Food Culture Community and Health course. We're going to be doing education around plant forward, and we're going to feature tofu and greens. Many times people are left with these green, leafy greens that come from turnips or beet greens. It's usually too bitter, it's usually unappealing. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to massage it and make it a little more palatable. So the way to do that is make a simple dressing. So I'm just going to put a touch of balsamic vinegar in this bowl here and double that amount for the olive oil. And then you're going to season with some pepper, black pepper, and salt. We'll whisk up this dressing. Just going to pour this over the greens. Delia, do you mind if you want to jump in here? I'm going to let you actually start massaging these greens. We have some of this tofu that we were able to marinate. The key with tofu is actually pressing out the water. We use napkins, paper towels to blot out the water. When you do that and then you work with the marinade then will be soaked into the tofu. I'm going to put in a little bit of this canola oil in the pan. We're trying to get a sear on this, so one of the ways to do that is work with the oil. And we're going to let that sit for a few minutes. This is what cooking is all about. This is community, right? So we're working together to make a meal. What we're looking at here is our roasted vegetables, our cabbage, our quinoa, beets, and garlic. We can make these nice little wedges. And this is something that'll go right on top of the salad. We can take some of our greens, we can put the greens on top of our cabbage. We're working with quality ingredients, wonderful proteins, and awesome students. So I really appreciate the help, guys. Thanks so much.